Jollibee!
Isn't that slow motion fun?
Wait, Larry. And they're telling me. You tell me if it is lami or not lami, okay? We order some chicken and also this is chicken joint.
So, oh, maybe.
Actually, this one is delicious.
Looks like yours.
And this one is pineapple crunch. It's delicious too.
Maybe. It's like chocolate.
Oh, yeah, mashed potato.
Put this out of the way.
So you're palabongga? Oh. Oh, there's a big serving. What about your spaghetti? Can I see it, please?
Mommy needs to film it.
Palabok and a piece of chicken and also a peach mango pie and also a pineapple. And that's a spaghetti. Oh, looks yummy. What is it? Yeah.
It's gravy.
Gravy?
Gravy for the chicken.
Oh. And that palabok?
There we go.
How is it? Lamig kaayo.
Never dipped it in the gravy before. That's true. Chicken joy.
How is it?
Ouch.
It's good?